Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Ombonya Kenyi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I went grocery shopping and I thought now that I'm doing videos on meal ideas and recipes that maybe I should show you some of the ingredients that I buy. I shop once in a fortnight and note that I only top up on the things that I need and the things that I need to stock up. So this is basically what I got today. I also went to the market, so I'm going to show you what I got. I got some yogurt. I only buy vanilla yogurt. I just prefer vanilla. Boring, I know, so yeah. Next, I got these rolls. I usually get this because you can have this for breakfast, make some burgers and all that. And bread for my toasties and sandwiches. I needed some jam, so I got this apricot one and I also got the forest fruits one. I also got some prune juice. If you have some bowel movement problems, prune juice is your to-go juice. And I also got some apple mango. I always buy long life milk, full cream to be precise. So I just don't buy one, I buy a few to last me a couple of weeks. I also buy almond milk because sometimes I eat sweetened cereals, so I need this. I went ahead and bought some pancake shakes, a blueberry one and a strawberry one. I am not a coffee fan, but I take this with lots of milk and sugar, so I stocked that up. Next, I wanted to try this tea that my friend drinks, so I got that, and I also wanted to try this tea masala. And I got some baked beans. I got this cassava in an African shop. Love them. Got a tray of eggs. Could eat eggs every day, so I got a Nutella. And also in an African shop, I got this corn. The corn here is so sweet, so I buy mine from the African shop for my African meals. Next, I got some coconut cream. And if you have watched my meal ideas part 1, you'd notice that I used curry sauce instead of curry powder. So I stocked that up as well. And I got some coconut milk. I also got some ndengu from an African shop as well. I got this sauce. I buy this sauce because it has tomato, it has onion, and also have garlic. I also needed this all-purpose seasoning. For my salads, I got this ranch dressing and also the Italian one. I got this special burger sauce and some mayo. I love Nando's sauces, so I got the peri-peri sauce in medium. I got peri-peri sauce, the marinade one, and I got the extra spicy. I bought some noodles and I also got some pasta. Got some olive oil and some vegetable oil. I mostly use this for frying. And I got some olive oil spray. From the market, I got some pumpkin chapatis abe, and carrots. Love carrots. I got cabbage. I also got some sweet potatoes. I bought red and white potatoes because it depends with what I'm preparing. I got some green bananas for my matoke. And I got ripe bananas, of course. This here, this is like my favorite fruit. I got some grapes and some plums. Let me show you. This looks so fresh. I hope this tastes as fresh. I also got some avocados. Capsicum, again, depends with what I'm preparing. So I got green and red. I bought brown and red onion. Again, depends with what I'm preparing. And I got some coriander. I don't use much of coriander, so. I bought some pears. I thought this looks like what we have back home. So I bought this because I want to try it. And I also bought this. Doesn't look like a pear though, but yeah, it's pears. Next I have watermelon. And finally I got some tomatoes. So I buy my meat from the butchery and I have some in the freezer, so I just like topped up. I bought this chicken, comes marinated. I bought half minced lamb. I bought a kilo of chicken breast. I got these lamb chops for my choma. Bought 2 kilos, and I bought beef steak, a kilo. So thank you guys for watching this video. That is it for today. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also you can comment down below on if you'd like more of these videos or meal plans. And I will see you next time. Bye.